Hello everyone, welcome to my screencast. I am Danny from Omelette.com and today we will look at a cool module called Insert. I don't know if you are aware, but every week or even sometimes more often than that, I look at an interesting module that I find and I think people should know about. This week, Insert. I actually needed something like this recently on a project I was working on. And what this module does is let you insert inline into a content type's text field the image that you uploaded via the Drupal core image field, which is pretty cool if you need that kind of thing. Now let's install the module. We'll add also views because I want to show you something cool after that. Views requires C tools. Chaos Tool Suite, and we launch. Essentially, with this module you can choose node by node when you create your content where the image goes, and you're not stuck to how your node template would display your image, which is pretty cool. Okay, we have our Drupal installation here on simpletest.me. And to test this out, we will create an article first, to which we will upload an image. So here is a title. This is the text, some more text. Okay, and we'll upload a random image, and we save. As expected, it looks like this. The image field comes on top of everything because this is how the node template is built. Now, what we need to do now is go to the article content type and edit the image field to allow the insert module to do what it does. So if you install the module, you'll notice that in the edit section of the image field, you'll have this insert tab here, where you can enable the insert button to be used on each node creation or edit. You can choose to use an absolute path for the URLs of the images. You can even enable image styles to be used. I'll leave this to automatic, the default style to automatic, even CSS classes, etc. Let's save and move on. Now, if we go to the article and edit it, now after we have enabled that, I will just put this to full HTML so that the image tag can be processed, and I see that there is a new button called Insert here. Now, to do this, we have to put the cursor wherever we want the image to be inserted, and we just press Insert, and there you have it. It adds some width and height, which is comes from the style that you chose. I will just delete that out. Okay, now we can save, and we will have the article. You will see the image field like it was, then the image as we entered it. Now, to avoid this duplication, we just have to hide the image field from displaying regularly on the node pages. We just go to the manage fields and we put the image to be hidden, both on the default and on the teaser, because we don't want it to appear anywhere. Now if we go back to the article, we have the image where we want it. Now the good thing about this is that the image remains in the content type, in the node, as an image field. So if you want to use views, the image can still be used. So let's try to do something with views to show you how. We have to probably enable it. Yes, we have to enable chaos tools, views UI. Okay, so now we go to structure, views, add new view, test, content of type article, create a page called test, continue and edit. We'll put here instead of content, and this is where it becomes useful. If you want to use fields, you can still use the separate image field of the article. So here you have the title. We'll just add a new field, image. We know we don't need a label. We choose the let's just put a thumbnail, and here we have it. If you save it now, we can go view the page, and you have the view with the image field in it. So even if you hid it from here and you used it wherever you want in your article node, you can still have access to that image field in views if you need it like this, which would not be the case if you just inserted an image from wherever else inline in your body field or whatever text field you're using. Okay, so this is pretty much it. You feel free to experiment, drop some comments if you have any questions or something is not clear. Also, feel free to follow other modules that I will review, and even the other series that I recently started called I'm Hooked, in which every week I look at a interesting hook that is maybe not the most advanced in terms of module development, but interesting and useful for you to use when you want to develop something. Okay, so see you next week probably. Thanks for watching.